Color blending in embroidery has always been about illusion, creating depth, light and texture, using thread alone. With the new multi-blend effect in EmbroideryStudio, those possibilities expand dramatically. This video looks at using the multi-blend to create traditional color blends in conjunction with accordion spacing, and how the same approach can be extended to more creative stitch layering. One of the most common uses for multi-blend is smooth color blending using accordion spacing. Apply multi-blend to a tatami filled object, and a default two-layer blend is created instantly. What you're seeing isn't just color but density. One layer gradually opens while the other becomes denser. This approach combines two or more layers of tatami stitching, each using a different spacing profile, to create natural transitions from light to dark. Column A, B, and C input methods provide more interactive controls, which allow you to selectively size and position different layers. Blend direction can be adjusted at any time using reshape, either for the entire object or individual layers. Instead of breaking objects apart, you now build multiple stitch layers inside a single, fully editable object. Each layer contributes to the final blend, and each remains independently adjustable. The blend is preserved even when objects are resized, rotated, or skewed. To keep open stitching clean, Trapunto automatically moves travel runs to the object edge. Auto underlay is disabled by default, ensuring nothing interferes with the blend. For finer control, accordion spacing also supports custom profiles. By reshaping the curve directly, you can design complex tonal transitions or introduce subtle texture variations. Flip controls make it easy to create perfectly complementary profiles between layers, ideal for smooth, balanced blends. Once you've created a blend you like, you don't need to rebuild it again. Multi-blend lets you save complete layer combinations as reusable profiles, including stitch types, effects, and structure. Apply the same profile to any compatible object, then simply adjust colors to suit your design. And you're not limited to two layers. Add midtones, highlights, or even overlay effects, all within the same multi-blend object. Although we've been focusing on accordion-based color blends, multi-blend isn't limited to a single stitch type. Each layer can use its own fill style or effect, and layers can be reordered or adjusted independently while remaining part of one unified object. From subtle shading to rich multi-layered texture, multi-blend brings powerful control without breaking your workflow. Because everything remains editable, you're free to experiment, refine, and reuse. For more information about stitch blends, refer to the latest EmbroideryStudio online help or reference manual. See links below. Thanks for watching.